Hi, I'm Jim Gordon for SmallCapPower, and we are live and welcoming you to the Sprott Symposium in downtown Vancouver. I'm Jim Gordon for SmallCapPower, and we are at the live at the 2018 Sprott Symposium. Joining me now is Chris Vaughn. He is the moderator of the site CEO.ca. Chris, great to have you with us.
Pleasure to meet you.
I'm really curious to hear more about this. This is very new school. I like what you were talking to me about off camera. Can you tell us a little bit about, for our viewers, CEO.ca?
Sure. So CEO.ca is a mobile investment conference essentially in your pocket. So think of Sprott, think of Metal Investors Forums, Vancouver Natural Resources, any of these conferences. And that's what we have on a mobile app. You can also get on it through online, just a regular website. But what it is essentially is it follows the same format as these shows. We have a main lobby area where people are just there talking about natural resources, what happened in the hockey game last night, whatever it might be. And then we have individual company rooms, which are almost like the ballrooms that you'll see here when they're giving their company presentations.
Right.
Everything is 100% those companies in those rooms. And so we have, right now we started in 2015, the chat portion of the site, and it's been growing very well ever since. Right now we have hundreds of thousands of users who sign in every month, millions of page views and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's...
You've almost just answered my next question, which I want to say, what has the reaction been, and what are some of the challenges you face?
Well, first off, the reaction's been very good. So we've just continued to grow ever since the turn in beginning of 2016. People started finding the site, and it went gangbusters from there. The crypto space also brought in a lot of younger users. So at first, when we started it, it was much a higher age group, much more akin to what you'd see at a show here. Which
is interesting. Sorry to interrupt you, but I would have thought it would have gone the other way, that you'd be bringing the people in that are in the older bracket as opposed to the younger.
Well, and so did I. I mean, I found the site personally in 2016. I kind of stumbled backwards into it. I was just looking for undervalued sectors as an investor, and I caught this site and I started watching it, and the people who were involved and were talking were miles ahead of me. It was like I felt like I was in the Being John Malkovich movie, you know, your little window into the brain of these people. And so, you know, from that point onward, it's just been growing. And then with the crypto boom, it brought in a lot of the younger cohort.
Right.
So it actually brought our average user age down by about half.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. So that's a lot of the growth has come from millennials, which is great to see. That's the entire point of these mobile investment conferences.
They eat, live, and breathe this. Not to generalize and do broad stroking, but they've grown up with this.
And it's 24/7. So you know, I mean, I tend to get up very early, but I have lots of great conversations with my European friends and guys down in Australia, and I mean, we're really spread out all over the place. In terms of some of the challenges, I mean, we obviously have growing challenges. We have a team of dedicated developers who are constantly working to improve.
This is 24/7 too. You're not shut down.
No, never. It's 24/7, right? And then we also brought on a team in 2017, a team of moderators.
Okay.
Because obviously the worry with a lot of these chat sites is that it can quickly go off the rails.
Sure.
You know, some people just want to cause a stir and not really detract from the company and getting the story out there. But we have a team of moderators who go around and make sure that the conversation stays as valuable as possible. So that's been one of the points that the users have really been saying is a great point about our site versus some of our cohorts within the chat realm.
That's excellent. So just tremendous and positive feedback you're getting, which is always good.
Yeah, constantly, constantly.
We've been talking with Chris Vaughn. He is a moderator of the site CEO.ca. You can find it online. Check it out. We should also mention you can download the app at Apple Store and on Android at Google Play, yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, excellent. He has been joining us here live on location at the 2018 Sprott Symposium. I'm Jim Gordon with SmallCapPower.